open the accessory box. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Take out bobbin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Wind thread clockwise around bobbin winder tension discs. Thread bobbin and place on spindle. Push bobbin spindle to right. Turn on the sewing machine. The power switch is set to I. Hold on to end of thread. Step on foot control pedal. Cut off excess thread. Step on foot control pedal. Continue wind the bobbin. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove it. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread through the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread and attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn off the power before threading. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Raise the presser foot. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Lower the presser foot. Now pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle eye. Raise the presser foot. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the hand wheel towards you, lowering, then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Set the machines for straight stitch. When the value is 0, it is a straight stitch. The needle position setting is at the baseline. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. To secure the beginning and the end of a seam, press the reverse sewing lever. Sew a few stitches with inverted stitches. Release the lever and the machine will sew forward again. Cutting the thread. Turn the pattern selector dial. Adjust the stitch width dial. Adjust the stitch length dial. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Turn on the sewing machine. Turn the hand wheel. It can sew 23 types of stitches. Open the button plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Set the pattern selector dial. Set stitch length, dial to 0.5, 1. Set the stitch width to 6. The needle position setting is at the baseline. Turn on the sewing machine. Turn the hand wheel. It will automatically sew in the order. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Lift the needle by turning hand wheel toward you. Rotate the needle clamp screw in your direction. Remove the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle upwards as much as possible. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate and set screws. Remove the needle plate. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.